In this video, I just want to give you some motivation for you to keep going, to go through whatever you're going through right now and work on it. Just keep going. You got it. You got it. That's what this video is coming up. What's up, legend? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, helping you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better. I'm just in an extremely good mood right now. I've been doing some parts therapy, parts work, and some mindscaping sessions, and just feeling like a really good version of myself right now. And I wanted to express to you guys how important it is, and girls, gals, how important it is for you to just keep working on yourself. And whatever you're going through, you're going to be fine. You're gonna make it. You know, and it might be hard right now. You might be going through some stuff like we all are, plus other things. You know, with the coronavirus and all this other stuff, it's pretty dang chaotic out there. And then, you know, you got your personal life and family struggles and work and all these other things. And I know most people that are in this channel are, you know, focused on personal development and understanding yourself and trying to better yourself so that you can impact the world. And I just want to say, like, whatever's going on, we're gonna get through it. You're gonna get through it. You know, I remember some of my dark nights of the soul where I'm just, you know, am I ever gonna get through this? Can I do this? Like, everything's just going to heck. And there's, you know, just sad nights alone, crying, worrying about my future the next day, or angry at something that happened. But I got through it. You know, I took that as an experience and refocused it, you know, and wrapped it with some gratitude, and was like, you know, this awful thing happened, and I'm gonna learn from it. I'm gonna grow from it. I'm gonna take actions that are gonna benefit me in the future me, and make my life better through these struggles, through this, you know, this fight, this dragon, whatever it is, these goblins jumping on my back. You know, I found a way, and it's through knowing that you can cope, you can acclimate. I've talked about this a bunch. You know, sometimes it feels like this is it. Like, I'm not gonna get past this. I'm never gonna find another person to be with ever in my life. And it's not like that. You know, you can learn from those lessons. You can learn from those experiences, whether you deem them as positive or negative right now. You can keep working on shifting your perspective around it and finding ways of having gratitude for the things that have happened. I don't know what's going on in your life, and I don't want to talk light of it or anything like that. I'm just saying there's a way for you to find some sort of positive glimpse of energy or something like that you can take into your life, and you can use it to help you go forward, to help you gain more control over your life, to help you live a more positive life, to help you impact the world. You know, something that maybe, you know, it's gonna be your story that you can share with the world to help other people that are going through similar things. It takes that ability to stop and just know that this is part of the journey. This is part of that hero's journey. You've crossed into the unknown, into the chaotic world, and you're learning, and you're growing, and you're struggling and gaining new skills to bring those into yourself and embody those and absorb them, and then change yourself and change your situation, change your environment, change your skills, add new skills, and change your identity as well through that, and change the world. So you can do it. That's all I want to say. You got it. All right, so I hope that this video helped. I'm not teaching anything necessarily, but I hope that it was beneficial, and I hope that you gained something from it. And if this helped you, then it's gonna help somebody else. So if you know somebody else who's struggling right now, please share it. Don't hide it, don't keep it for yourself. You know, give it out, give it to somebody else that it could help. And just be like, you know what, this video helped me, it might help you. All right, so I hope it helps. I've said help like 9 billion times in this video, and I can't help it. I'm done. All right, keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Peace.